Hello, everybody. So I've heard the question a lot. What is turmeric versus curcumin? Are they the same thing? Are they completely different? And let's talk a little bit more about turmeric and curcumin. Is it just a fad? Is it a superfood? Well, if it is a fad, it's a fad that's been around for thousands of years. So no, it's not just a fad. And today we're going to talk about some of the health benefits of this very, very potent, I guess we could call it a superfood or herb. So my name is Dr. Olivia Joseph. I am the founder of Dr. Olivia Naturals, and our first product we ever created, and still the product that we use the most of, get the most amount of feedback on, is our turmeric complex. And I'll talk to you a little bit more about the complex and the ingredients you want to see together if you're going to be supplementing with this. So I hold a bachelor's degree in biology, I hold a doctorate in chiropractic, a diplomate in clinical nutrition, and I'm also board certified in Chinese medicine and acupuncture. So I've been using natural means and methods for 15 years to help patients get well naturally. And a lot of what I see are issues caused by inflammation, which brings turmeric to light, because what we know is that turmeric has been used for thousands of years, particularly in Asian countries, and its major benefit is its benefit on inflammation. And on inflammation where? Inflammation in the joints, in the brain, in the nerves, even in the cardiovascular system. So one inflammatory marker that we see is C-reactive protein. And when that's elevated, it means you have chronic inflammation in the bloodstream, which can increase your risk for cardiovascular disease. Well, turmeric, when combined with healthy fats, actually lowers this inflammatory marker. There's so much research on turmeric and curcumin that we have over 12,000 peer-reviewed articles just on the benefits of turmeric. So it's something that's very, very heavily researched, that's been around for a long time. So no, it's not just a fad. It's been around for thousands of years and used for thousands of years. And one thing that they found is that countries that consume large amounts of it, not a little sprinkle here or there, countries that consume huge amounts of it in their diet have less cognitive decline, less rates of other diseases that are caused by chronic inflammation. It even has digestive benefits. So I've seen some pretty solid research done on turmeric and curcuminoids and its effect on inflammatory bowel disease. So what's the difference between turmeric and curcumin? So curcumin is the active part of the turmeric spice. So when you buy turmeric and you eat huge amounts of it, it has a pretty color, it has a very distinct flavor, but to really get the benefits, you need to have the curcuminoids. That's what you can concentrate in a supplement so you can maximize its effectiveness on those different systems of the body. So think of curcumin to turmeric, what caffeine is to coffee. That's a great analogy that helps you understand that that is the active form of the turmeric itself. And curcuminoids are what we concentrate to make natural supplements. So what benefits have people seen in supplementing with this is reduced pain and inflammation, less swelling, improved energy and cognitive function, improved digestion, and here's one that most people don't talk about: improved skin. Why? So it's actually called inflammaging. One thing we know about inflammation is it accelerates the aging process. When you have less inflammation in your body, your cells can be repaired at a faster rate. It almost acts as an antioxidant in doing this. So many people report benefits to their skin health in addition to their joint health, digestive health, cognitive health, nerve health, supplementing with turmeric supplements. So I always recommend you combine it with other ancient superfoods or other things in the same family as turmeric, such as ginger and boswellia. The one thing we know about turmeric is it's not very highly absorbable. So in order to increase that absorption rate, you want to eat it with a meal containing fat or take it with a fat, such as a really good quality fish oil. Last but not least, we know certain spicy things like pepper, black pepper, even cayenne pepper, improve the absorption rate so you can get it where it needs to go, into the digestive system, into the bloodstream, so it could have a positive impact on so many systems of the body. So if you've never tried it before, feel free to browse at Dr. Olivia Naturals and check out our organic turmeric complex. We use an organic turmeric specifically because turmeric can contain toxins such as lead depending on where in the world it is sourced from, which is why we choose to make ours organic. So check out our organic turmeric complex. If you've never tried it before, we have a special gift for you so you can try it and share your feedback with us. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. Reach out to us. Myself or somebody on my team will get your questions answered so you can start understanding just how potent and powerful this herb is and can be on your health, on your overall wellness, how you feel, but also for prevention. So it's a pleasure sharing my passion, talking about natural health, food as medicine. My name is Dr. Olivia Joseph, and I look forward to getting your feedback.